You felt it. That moment of pure, unexpected relief after a good bathroom trip. Some people even joke it's better than other things. But why? Why does your body reward you for pooping? Let's get into the surprisingly fascinating science behind it. The first big reason comes down to one nerve, the vagus nerve. This nerve runs from your brainstem all the way down through your neck, chest, and abdomen, and it's directly connected to your rectum. When stool passes through and stretches the walls of your rectum, it stimulates the vagus nerve. And the vagus nerve doesn't just sit there. It triggers a drop in heart rate and blood pressure and floods your body with a wave of relaxation. Some researchers even have a nickname for the intense version of this, poo-phoria. In rare cases, this vagal stimulation is so strong, it can actually make people lightheaded or briefly faint. A real phenomenon called defecation syncope. So that lightheaded, floaty feeling isn't just in your head. It's your nervous system hitting the brakes, hard. Second factor, mechanical relief. Think of your rectum like a balloon slowly filling with air. As waste builds up, stretch receptors in the rectal wall send signals to your brain saying, "We're full, deal with this." That fullness creates mild background tension you might not even consciously notice. The moment you go, that tension releases all at once. Your brain interprets sudden relief from discomfort as pleasurable. The same basic principle behind why scratching an itch feels so satisfying. Here's a weirder one. The pushing itself changes your body chemistry. When you bear down to poop, you're performing something called the Valsalva maneuver, holding your breath and tightening your abdominal muscles. This briefly spikes pressure in your chest and affects blood flow to your heart. Some scientists believe this process can trigger a release of endorphins, your body's natural feel-good chemicals, as your system works to rebalance itself afterward. And here's a fact that surprises almost everyone. About 90 to 95% of your body's serotonin, the happy neurotransmitter most associated with your brain, is actually produced in your gut. Your digestive tract is lined with cells that release serotonin to help coordinate digestion and bowel movements. So there's a real chemical link between your gut activity and your mood, quite literally built into your intestines. So next time you feel that wave of relief, no, it's not random. It's your vagus nerve calming your whole nervous system, built-up pressure finally releasing, and a gut full of serotonin doing its job. Your body is basically throwing you a tiny reward party for taking care of business.